Lockstock Trade is an event which is institutionalized by NEN and SP Jain. It started in 2004 and it's being run for every year. And this is the first time in North Zone that IMT Ghaziabad is conducting Lockstock Trade.
So we were very excited to hold this event in the college. The core activity of any entrepreneurship cell is to promote the entrepreneurship culture among the students. That's the dream of any startup to launch an IPO. So every startup to whom we have contacted, they were very excited to participate in this competition.
Lockstock Trade 2009 was visualized as the premier event of ECEL IMT Ghaziabad, and currently I am sure that we are going to present it in the best possible manner.
We started first collecting data on the startups. We found out the startups in various sectors, studied the startups, shortlisted startups which we thought were good enough for our event. Selecting the teams itself was an event in itself. We selected 8 teams, then we had a tough time selecting 8 startups, and that's how the event started.
3 months down the line, when we are thinking what we have achieved, I think I am proud of the entire LST team as well as ECEL IMT Ghaziabad.
Yeah, team is working really hard, and I think this event would be the grand event of the IMT Ghaziabad.
Team of ECEL has really worked hard for this, and we really cheer for them. Especially talking about being a coordinator of such an event is really a great experience and learning for all of us.
And we as organizers of this event, we experienced great things like interacting with CEOs of various startups.
It's been a very enriching experience working for LST 2009. We talked to entrepreneurs, we talked to different B schools.
We came to learn many things about the B plan.
Because we all get to know about how an IPO works, and after that there is a very great learning experience of organizing the events of such a huge level, in which we are inviting participation from around more than 50 B schools and engineering colleges in North Zone itself.
There was a hard competition among the teams,
and we had good participation.
It is happy to see that these startups are from the NEN hottest startup list.
The entrepreneurs and the startup companies are probably the busiest persons around, and getting an interview or getting an appointment with them is the toughest task.
It was a great fun organizing this LST event.
The whole event has been great fun.
So that was really a nice opportunity, at least for 24 IMT Ghaziabad students who have worked closely with 8 startups, and those startups who are really doing a great job in their respective fields.
When we first heard about the event Lockstock Trade, we were a little skeptical because we did not know much about the event.
When we first heard about LST, we thought it of as yet another variant of stock trading system.
LST was a very good experience for all of us. We got the opportunity to work with the company, which is something you never get to do generally.
Interacting with them and understanding the entrepreneur mindset.
LST in a way has given us a very good platform to interact with new startups.
LST was a great opportunity in terms of the learning, the experience.
We got to meet with Mr. Alok and with the CEO, the CTO of Ixigo. The experience was very enriching.
We were given Tego code as the startup organization. The company, as we researched, we found that it was the Tata NEN hottest startup winner.
Eco Financial Services. It's a mobile technology-based firm. We had a nice interaction with Mr. Piyush Gupta and Mr. Avinash, who are the co-founders of Root Guru.
It gives us the idea of how actually the startup works, how they actually start.
It involved collection of data and analysis, so that was actually very value-adding to us.
Thinking about the whole IP of the company, overall company analysis. So it not only provided us with the overall company analysis, increasing our analytical skills, but it also provided us with the opportunity to meet the entrepreneurs of the company, the real entrepreneurs.
So how the operation is done, how the financials are calculated, and how the financials are converted into real banking services.
Whatever concepts we've learned in class, at least we get to apply that theory in practice. So overall it's been a great learning experience for us.
For a startup it's very difficult when they have nothing with them. So how do they approach the VCs? So it was really nice to learn how the things take place in such a startup.
And I think that is the biggest learning, that we got to interact with them.
The competition is about to end. We feel that we have really achieved our two-folded targets, that is to promote the culture in IMT among students and to really help companies to understand and achieve their dream of launching an IPO.
So it was overall a very nice experience working with the LST, and we are looking forward for more such events.
Lock, stock, trade.
Lock, stock, trade.
Lock, stock, trade.
And lock, stock and trade would truly be a success.
Lock, stock, trade.
Lock, stock, trade.
Lock, stock, trade. Lock, stock, trade.
ESL rocks.
LST rocks.
He's a IMT Ghaziabad.